One sunny day, a hungry fox was walking through a green forest. He saw a vineyard with bunches of juicy grapes hanging from the vines. The fox's mouth watered as he looked at the grapes. "Those grapes look so tasty," he thought. "I want to eat them." The fox jumped up to reach the grapes, but he couldn't reach them. He tried again and again, jumping higher each time, but the grapes were too high. Feeling tired and frustrated, the fox sat down. He thought, "Maybe I can find a stick to knock the grapes down." He found a stick and tried to use it to reach the grapes, but it was too short. The fox tried one last big jump, but he still couldn't reach the grapes. He landed on the ground, feeling sad and tired. As he walked away, the fox looked back at the grapes and said, "Those grapes are probably sour anyway. I don't really want them." And with that, the fox walked off, trying to forget his hunger and convincing himself that the grapes weren't good after all. Moral of the story: it's easy to say bad things about what you can't have.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.